Today we're gonna make, what are we making? Worms?
Yes.
We're gonna make worms. Hello, I'm Olaf.
And I'm Duca.
And this is the Olaf and Duca Science Show. So, what color do you want, Duca?
I want blue.
Do like 20, 25 drops in there. Can you count that high? Squish it real good. 2, keep squishing. 3, 4, 10, 11, 12, 13, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And we're gonna shake it. Shake that up. Shake it, 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 shake it. Shake it, shake it. How you doing? Now we're gonna put the food coloring with the sodium educate. So you pour this all in there, nice and slowly. What is viscosity?
This.
This, exactly. When it's harder and thicker liquid to pour. How you doing there, Duca? We're all good? We're all done? Is that all out?
Nope.
Almost?
Just a
Oh
little bit.
man, he's slow. The next part we're gonna do is get our solution ready. Calcium, lactonate, gluconate,
This.
fruit cake.
This.
1, 2, 3, 4.
What's this table fluid?
I don't know, but we're gonna see what it all does. Now here's gonna be the fun part. We're gonna get this up to 10
I'll do that.
millimeters. This one's tricky, so Olaf's gotta do this a little bit. You're gonna pour this in there?
This. Wait for me to do it.
Okay. Oh, that was, wow. Okay, he went all at once. Wow, look at that. That's the worm. Big blob of worm.
I want to do it
Whoa, look at that
again.
guy.
I'll do it then.
That looks like a big booger, not a worm.
Then I take it out, okay?
Pull it out. Look at that. Another big worm. Oh.
Look what I did. I'm making a mess on my debs.
Look at that. And there we go. What is that? You hold on that end, and I'll hold this end. And that is how you make worms.
I want to do my turn.
Going. Okay, stop. Whoa.
Well, that's too much work.
That's
7, 8, 9, 10.
awesome. Was that fun?
I'll do it then.
He wants to do it more. Give me a high five, Duca. Well, that's the end of our show.
Aw,
Yeah,
I
we'll
wanna
keep
do
doing it
again.
after. All right, kiddies. Thank you again for joining the Olaf and
Duca, so
Duca Show.
let's
Bye-bye.
bye.